In the heart of Africa, a story begins, a tale as old as time itself. It's a story of a people known as the Ngoni. Originating from the Ngoni tribes of South Africa, the Ngoni people are a testament to resilience and cultural integrity. Their history, marred by conflict and upheaval, is a testament to their indomitable spirit that echoes through the ages. The Ngoni people trace their lineage back to the Zulu kingdom, renowned for their militaristic and aggressive nature. In the early 19th century, during a period known as the Mfecane, or the Time of Troubles, the Ngoni were pushed out of their homeland. The Mfecane was a time of great upheaval, marked by widespread chaos and warfare, primarily caused by the expansion of the Zulu kingdom under Shaka Zulu. This upheaval led to the displacement of many tribes, including the Ngoni. The Ngoni embarked on a series of migrations, journeys that would take them across the vast expanses of southern Africa. The first group, under the leadership of Zwangendaba, migrated north, crossing the Zambezi River and settling in what is now known as Malawi. The second group, led by Nsaba, moved westward into present-day Zimbabwe. The third group, under the guidance of Mzilikazi, migrated northwards into modern-day Zambia and Tanzania. These migrations were not without their challenges. The Ngoni had to contend with unfamiliar terrains, hostile tribes, and scarce resources. However, they persevered, driven by the need to find a new home, a place where they could preserve their unique culture and way of life. Fast forward to the present day, the Ngoni people have established themselves in the countries they migrated to. In Malawi, they form a significant part of the population and are known for their vibrant cultural festivals. In Mozambique and Tanzania, they have seamlessly integrated into the local societies, contributing to the cultural diversity of these nations. In Zimbabwe and Zambia, they have established thriving communities, preserving their unique traditions and customs. The journey of the Ngoni people is one of courage, resilience, and an undying spirit. Despite the challenges they faced, they have managed to preserve their culture and establish themselves in new lands. Their story is not just a tale of migration, it's a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt, survive, and thrive. In conclusion, the tale of the Ngoni people is not just about their past, but also about their present and future. It's a story that resonates with the universal themes of resilience, adaptability, and the preservation of cultural heritage. It's a story that reminds us of the power of human spirit, the importance of cultural identity, and the incredible journey that is the human experience. The Ngoni people continue to write their story, a story that is far from over, a story that will continue to resonate for generations to come.